TATE CNC bucket handle making machine, precision, speed, and efficiency. Looking for an efficient and reliable solution for bucket handle production? The TATE CNC bucket handle making machine is designed to deliver high-speed precision and automation, making it the perfect choice for paint buckets, water buckets, and industrial containers. Key features and functions. This advanced machine offers a fully automated process, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. It includes automatic wire feeding and cutting, ensuring smooth and precise material handling. CNC precision bending, achieving consistent handle shapes with high accuracy. End flattening, improving grip and assembly stability. Thread rolling, adding non-slip textures to handle ends. Plastic sleeve attachment, automatically installing comfortable grips. Additionally, it supports multiple hook forming options, including top curl hook, securely attaches to bucket rims. Bottom lock hook provides extra strong fastening. East-west hook, customized for special bucket types. Thickened end hook, enhanced durability for heavy-duty applications. Why choose TATE? With fast production speeds, customizable designs, and user-friendly operation, the TATE CNC bucket handle making machine is the best investment for your handle manufacturing needs. Contact us today. Tell WhatsApp +86 130 6265 7065. Email info@tatebend.com. TATE, the future of wire bending.